Hey everybody, it's Justin with Antelope Valley Nissan. Do we have something special for you today? A 2012 370Z, fully customized. You got the black wheels, the white wall tires, customized brakes, even customized wrap on this vehicle. Check this thing out. This is just gorgeous. I love the two-tone exterior. It's got an awesome aero kit on it. Let's get a close-up of that aero kit. Street aero right here. This is the Atomic Z right here. Looking for a new home, bring this Atomic Z to your garage. You got a custom exhaust on it. It's also got a short throw shifter. I mean, what more could you possibly want on this beautiful car right here? Let's take a look at the interior. You got the power group, of course, what you'd expect. Steering wheel controls. As you can see, it only has 59,656 miles. CD player, AM/FM stereo, nice custom gold shifter. Did I mention it's a short throw shifter? This thing is in just fantastic shape, ready for you to take home here at Antelope Valley Nissan in the Palmdale Auto Mall. Come in and check this thing out fast. Get in today because it's gonna go fast, if you forgive the horrible pun. Come on down and see this Antelope Valley Nissan in the Palmdale Auto Mall, folks. Thank you.